As we all age, doing things like going up and down stairs, mowing our lawns, and taking care of exterior maintenance becomes more and more difficult. That's why communities like this were built. I'm standing in the Villas of Autumn Run right now, which is in Short Pump, Virginia. It's a retirement community, 55 and over, and it's built for senior living. Now, Short Pump has a lot of amenities, a lot of shopping, and it's central to a lot of awesome shopping. And a community like this, in a place like that, is really everything you could ask for. But let's take a look at this place and see what makes it so unique, and we'll see if it works for you. Let's go inside and take a closer look. The homes here are built on slabs, and because they're built on slabs, you have a 0 step-up threshold leading into the front door. First stepping into this house, there's just a feeling of openness. The ceilings are very high. You have cathedral ceilings in the living room, which you'll see here in a second. There's the coat closet. So it's very well thought out, I would say. Look at how high those ceilings are. And it just gives you a feeling of just not being cramped. This is a gas fireplace, and it's turned on and off with the flick of that switch right there. From what I could see, it looks like the floors are laminate, as far as I can tell. And here's the kitchen. You have recessed lighting all throughout, so it's very well lit. You don't have that one single light in the center, which I don't like. That looks to be linoleum flooring. And the countertops are granite. Double sink. And I know you're going to like this, gas cooking. And I have to check with the description because I saw in another listing they said the gas was included. So if your heating and gas are included, that's a big saver right there. So the amenities that are included in the $329 maintenance or HOA is going to be things like, let's see, your water, trash removal, landscaping, yard maintenance, a swimming pool, an exercise room, snow removal, clubhouse, and all common areas. There's a pull down leading to an attic for storage in the garage here, and this looks to be like a 2-car garage. And if the ceilings you're seeing are not cathedral ceilings, then they're all 9-foot ceilings. This is a full bathroom right here. And you're going to have a step-in tub and ceramic tiles. But don't worry, in the primary bedroom, you're going to have a 0 step-up shower. So here's the bedroom. That's the primary. It's bigger than the rest. And there's your bathroom. Looks like linoleum on the floor. You got a single sink. Again, 9-foot ceilings in the bathroom as well. And here's your shower. There's a little step up there, but it's pretty much a walk-in shower. You have your handrail and a little bench. A little linen closet for storage. And a very spacious walk-in closet. I love how that one had all the shelves built into it. And there's the third bedroom. Let's go outside now and take a quick look at the garage from the outside. So you can see here that you're connected to other units by garage. And there are 4 units in each little courtyard area. In the description below, you are going to see a search result link. That link is always going to be active and refreshing itself with homes that are currently available right now in this particular subdivision. They're going to be sorted from the newest listings first. Feel free to sort through it, see if there's anything that interests you, and if you want to see one of these properties and schedule a tour, don't hesitate to pick up the phone and give me a call. My name is Ron DiSanto, and my phone number will be right here. I look forward to hearing from every one of you, and thanks for sticking around and watching until the end. Have a great day. Bye.